Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an easy and natural looking makeup. So kindly give the video a thumbs up if you agree with me that this look is easy and natural looking, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without wasting so much time, let's start the tutorial. If you're someone like me with full brows, all you need to do is to shape your brows and take a clean spoolie to brush your brows. Just brush and arrange your brows. Make sure your eyebrows are shaped, and if you want to see how I shape my brows, let me know in the comment section below. You can also apply a brow gel on your eyebrows. If you're somebody with scanty brows, all you need to do is to also brush your brows. Then you can either use a brow tint or you can use a brow gel to fill in your brows. I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the areas that have blemishes and acne. So the shade I'm using is the shade 338. You can either use the same brush or your fingers to blend it into your skin. Just like a spark that's breaking out. It's advisable to use a foundation with medium coverage. I'm just tapping till I feel it's well blended. You can see my black spots are partially covered and the spots here. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be applying concealer under my eyes. So I'm going to be using the Aligrace Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm just going to apply it here. I'm just blending using this beauty blender. This beauty blender is not damp. Then I'm going to be taking the Beignet banana powder to set those areas. I'm going to be using the Many setting powder on this brush to apply it on my eyelid. Just remove some oil on my eyelid. I'm going to be using this mascara to coat my lashes. I'm going to be taking this face definer from Classic Cosmetics. I'm going to be using the darker shade to contour my face. Then I'm going to be taking the Classic face powder. I'm just going to be using it to apply it all over my face. I'm going to be applying these two highlighters on the tip and bridge of my nose. Just very small. It's very small. Also on the cheekbones here. I'm going to be lining my lips using this brow lip pencil. Then add the clear lip gloss on my lips. I'm going to be taking the Essence Instant Matte Setting Spray to set my face. So guys, this is the finished look, and I hope you like it, and I hope you find it easy to create. On a scale of 1 to 10, let me know in the comment section below how natural looking this makeup is. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you like this look or if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the bell button next to the subscribe button, and in that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.